With snoring, though it seems like a pretty funny subject, so to speak, the real issue with snoring is that it's actually something more serious and a sign of a symptom of something that actually is detrimental to our health. More specifically, what I'm referring to is obstructive sleep apnea. So if there's anyone out there that, thinks they might be overly tired during the day, for sure they snore, and they should definitely contact our office. We do free consultations, we do airway screenings. We can basically help improve their quality of life and maybe even their marriage.